Welcome to the future of supercars. The 2025 Lamborghini Huracan isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. Here at MPV Auto, we're diving deep into what makes this Italian stallion so extraordinary. Get ready to experience performance, style, and technology like never before. A sweeping shot of the Huracan from various angles, showing off its aggressive lines and bold styling. The design is unmistakably Lamborghini. Sharp, aggressive lines. A low, wide stance. Every curve, every vent, and every angle serves a purpose. This is not just a car, it's a statement on wheels. The front end alone is enough to send chills down your spine. A menacing face that screams performance and power. Step inside, and you're instantly immersed in the world of precision. The cockpit of the Huracan is built around the driver. Everything is within arm's reach. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and the finest leather make every inch of the cabin feel luxurious yet purpose-built. The digital instrument cluster is a masterpiece, delivering all the information you need with a futuristic touch, while the infotainment system is sleek, intuitive, and perfectly integrated into this performance-focused environment. The Huracan roaring to life, starting up with the V10 engine noise echoing. But let's talk about what really matters: the heart of the beast. Under the hood lies a high-revving, naturally aspirated V10 engine, a true Lamborghini signature. This powerhouse delivers insert horsepower figure horsepower and insert torque figure lb-ft of torque, launching the Huracan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just insert time seconds. That sound, that roar, it's the unmistakable symphony of a true supercar. With each rev, you feel the power surge through your body. But this isn't just about straight line speed. The Huracan's all-wheel drive system and advanced chassis work in harmony to provide unmatched control and stability. The Huracan tackling tight corners at high speeds on a winding mountain road. Watch it carve through corners with surgical precision. Whether it's on a tight track or a winding mountain road, the Huracan's handling is exceptional. The advanced aerodynamics, coupled with a lightweight carbon fiber construction, ensure you get the perfect balance of agility and stability. It's a car that makes every curve feel like a celebration of performance. A close-up of the Huracan's carbon fiber bodywork and air vents as it moves at high speed. The Huracan isn't just built for speed, it's engineered to maximize every inch of aerodynamic efficiency. The carbon fiber construction not only makes it lightweight but